Hello and welcome to Avidata. Today, after multiplication, we're getting into division, an essential skill for your 11 plus maths exam. The division helps us split things into equal parts or groups, making it a practical tool for solving everyday problems. Ready to divide and conquer? Let's get started. And don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss a maths tip. What is division? Division is the process of splitting a number into equal parts. For example, if you have 12 sweets and want to share them equally between 4 friends, you divide 12 by 4. Each friend gets 3 sweets. Let's try a simple one. What is 15 divided by 3? That's correct. The answer is 5. Great job. Before we go further, let's understand the key terms in division. Dividend, the number you're dividing, example 12 in 12 divide by 4. Divisor, the number you're dividing by example 4 in 12 divide by 4. Quotient, the result of the division, example 3 in 12 divide by 4. Now let's tackle long division, a method for dividing larger numbers step by step. Let's divide 96 by 4. Start with the first digit. 4 goes into 9 2 times, giving 8. Subtract 8 from 9 to get 1. Bring down the next digit, 6, making 16. Divide 16 by 4 to get 4. The quotient is 24. This trick makes division faster and easier. It's time for some practice. Here are a few problems for you to solve. What is 18 divided by 3? Divide 72 by 8. What is 144 divided by 12? Take a moment to work them out. Let's check your answers. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 72 divided by 8 equals 9. 144 divided by 12 equals 12. How did you do? Great effort. Thank you for learning with Avidata today. With practice, division becomes second nature, helping you solve problems quickly and confidently. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you next time as we tackle more exciting maths topics. Happy dividing!